All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to take a quick look at AAVE. So AAVE here on the weekly chart. One thing I would point out that from the high to the low here, you can see that from this downtrend that we're clearly in. Just one thing to kind of point out, you can see how we're making lower highs, but down here we're kind of making higher lows. So you could consider this a symmetrical triangle, which is a bearish continuation pattern out of this downtrend we're in. So that just shows you that after this ranging here, the price is probably going to end up dropping down at some point. But that is only my opinion of what the chart says. But with that said, just keeping it real simple here, you can see that every time we're down here in this low area and we break through our first resistance at 68.70, you can see the last couple of times it came right up to that 382 at 88.60 every time it broke through. So just keeping it real simple on AAVE here. If you can manage to break through about 68.70, we'll say 69 bucks here. You're currently sitting at 65.80. Then there's a good chance your next stop is a 33, almost 34% move up to 88 on AAVE here. So just keep an eye on this price here. A break over 69 should send you up to 88. Remember, this is the weekly candles, so it's not going to happen overnight. You just got to have patience if you're looking to make some profit, and if you're looking to invest for the long term, and you're waiting for a drop. I'm not saying it's going to come all the way back down here to the bottom. It is making these higher lows at the moment, so there is a potential to drop probably about 23%. You can see that takes you down to about 50 bucks here. You know, it could be lower, about an 18% drop, and we could come back down to the bottom here for a 32% drop down to about $45 if it is going to break out of this. Let me go ahead and draw it on here. You can see how we're making the lower highs here, and then down here at the bottom we're making these higher lows, and you can see how we're forming this symmetrical triangle pattern here. It looks kind of like a wedge, but it's just completely sideways. And this just, if it plays out like it's supposed to, this may end up happening right here where you're going to do this and break down. Of course, you could come in this thing, come back down and up, and then break down. So nobody really knows what's going to happen. But I would say a break over this $69 level would break this pattern here. And if you can get up to the 382 at 88.60 here, that would make an even high. And that would potentially show you that you broke out of that downtrend line here, and you're going to go to higher price targets, possibly up here to 108. So just keep an eye on those. The momentum is up, at least in the short term, as we can see with the weekly stock RSI curled up here. But until the blue crosses over that yellow line here, we are still in a downtrend on AAVE. So just watch those prices, and we'll see you in the next one. Not financial advice. Peace out.